Tired of juggling multiple pairs of glasses just to see clearly at every distance? Let's dive into how Zenni Optical can make affordable, custom progressive lenses a reality for you. First things first, you'll need your up-to-date eyeglass prescription. If you don't have it handy, you can often access it from your eye doctor's office, or Zenni even offers an online vision test for prescription renewal in many areas. Once you have your prescription, head over to zennioptical.com. On your prescription, look for your pupillary distance, or PD, which is the distance between your pupils. You'll also need your eye power, which is indicated for progressive lenses, usually a number like 100, 150, or 200. These details are crucial for customizing your lenses. Now for the fun part, choosing your frames. Zenni boasts an incredible selection. You can filter by style, material, shape, and even use their virtual try-on feature to see how different frames look on your face. Take your time and pick a pair you love that also suits your face shape. After selecting your frames, you'll click to add lenses. This is where you'll specify that you want progressive lenses. Zenni offers a few progressive lens options, so carefully review the descriptions to choose the one that best fits your lifestyle and budget. Ensure you input your PD and add power accurately here. You'll also have the opportunity to add coatings like anti-scratch, anti-reflective, or UV protection to further enhance your glasses. Once you've made your selections and double-checked all your prescription details, you'll add the glasses to your cart and proceed to checkout. Review your order summary one last time, enter your shipping and payment information, and place your order. Zenni's streamlined process makes getting high-quality progressive glasses incredibly straightforward and affordable. Welcome to a world of clear vision at every distance.